Hi, and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I am going to be showing y'all how I wand my hair. So this is my natural hair, and I got pressed like 2 or 3 weeks ago. And in my opinion, without pressing it and stuff, it's coming to like a little bit of its last life in this press out without washing it and stuff. So I just want to do something a little bit different, and I want to just give it a little life. This will be my first time putting heat on it since I got it pressed in the salon. So I'm just going to be using my Revlon wand, and I have it heating up for y'all on setting 15. So let's get right into the video. Alright y'all, so in this video, I already prepped my hair with some heat protector, and I will go ahead and link in the description box what kind of heat protector, because I don't have it on hand right now. I already put it in. And I just brushed out my hair. I use this little plugged in brush. This is the brush that I use when my hair is curly, when it's straight. This is just my brush that I use. And I got this from Sally's Beauty Supply Store, so you can go pick you up one if that's what you would like. When I was a member there, they just gave this to me for like $10 with a bag of goodies or something for being a premium member or whatever. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is section my hair into 2, because my hair is pretty fine, so I don't need to section it in 4 when it's straight. And you don't even need to have it on there for that long, because you don't want to get like heat damage, or like we've seen in some like bad videos where it goes wrong and it like your hair just like breaks off or burns off or whatever from it being on there for so long. But I mean, if you don't like how the curls are going out, you can leave it on there for longer. But like, this is honestly just like I don't want to get like heat damage or whatever from it on there. Like, obviously this turned out ugly, so I'm about to section it a little smaller and leave it on there a little bit. So you can go like count to 5 or whatever you gotta do. And I just like will go in and then like twist a little bit. Hopefully that'll help. But I'm not about to go over that piece again, because twice is like max for me. Honestly, guys, like if it doesn't turn out at the end of the night, I was just gonna flexi rod it. So I'll go in with some flexi rods that I have at the end of the night, and I'll just put those in and sleep in my flexi rods. I have those in the size, I don't know what sizes they are, but I can tell you I have them in purple and gray. So those are the color sizes. Alright y'all, so this is the gist of what I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and speed up the video and then come back to y'all when I have at least the bottom done. Alright y'all, back with the bottom done. Now time for the top. Oh, it looks like a color difference between the bottom and the top when it's curled and when it's not. Smells good. Alright, so I'm gonna get a comb. Alright, y'all, so the wand curls, I kind of was like parting my hair and they come out so easy, so I like semi-brushed out the front. So I'm going back in with my Chi flat iron and I'm just touching up the front. As you can see, I kind of did the front a little bit and I'm just gonna touch up a few pieces. It's not a big deal. The back is, you know, it's like a loose, sexy, messy look and it's cool, so I don't have to go back in with the whole thing. I just want like a few pieces to be structured, so I'm just gonna go in here and there and go in with my flat iron and just touch up a few pieces. Like front edges and stuff kind of need a little love here and there, so I figured it'd be a good time to hit them with the flat iron. But I'm gonna go in with some with some edge control. I got that edge control ready. And my toothbrush, where's my toothbrush? Alright, y'all, so I'm done with that flat iron. I touched up a few pieces and so that was all that I really needed to do. Now I'm going in with my toothbrush that I do not use for my teeth. Okay, disclaimer, just a spare toothbrush that we don't use anymore. And then I'm going in with my edge control. Just about to get a little bit on the sides or whatever. Okay, now just about to you know, swoop. I like to go in and actually kind of like swoop my hair a little bit. Everybody's different on what they do with their baby hairs, so like I don't really, you know, need people like commenting and being like, oh, you're doing your baby hairs like wrong, or no, like I do my baby hairs how I want to, and my edges. Okay, I really don't like go in and create baby hairs like a whole lot. Like I mostly just do this like for controlled edges. So I don't want. Alright, y'all, so back to slaying these edges real quick. Sorry, my mom had walked in, so I was just talking to her real quick before she left. So let's see. You just want to brush, and even if you don't have curly hair, you can do this to your hair. You can brush and just swoop. So brush and swoop, key. Shoot, I'm like a huge glob of edge control right there. Okay. Brush and swoop. Alright. And that. Dang, I'm getting that everywhere. Okay. And then same for like and you are done, honey. You are slayed, laid, and prayed, okay? So this is the look. If you want to see how I got this eye makeup look, then let me know below. Comment below if you want to see how I got this eye makeup look. And yeah, let me know if you like this hairstyle look. Partially flat iron, partially wand. And thank you for watching this video. Subscribe and like and share the video. Thanks guys, love you.